Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, there's a major relief rally going on at present, relief that Omicron won't derail the global economic recovery. Firstly, and at first sight, the overnight dairy auction was not a lacklustre affair, not delivering the good increases the derivatives market was counting on. In US dollar terms, overall prices rose just 1.4% from the prior auction to be 31% higher than a year ago and 12% higher than the end of August. Today's event, however, came after a 3% devaluation in the Kiwi dollar. So in local dollar terms, prices are up 4.6% higher than the prior event 3 weeks ago. This is a rise that will underpin the Farmgate milk price payout forecasts. In the US, the Logistics Managers Index is still expanding. Growth is increasing at a decreasing rate for inventory levels and warehouse utilisation. Growth is increasing at an increasing rate for inventory costs, warehouse prices, transportation utilisation and transport prices. Warehousing capacity and transport capacity are contracting there. The supply chain pressures are not over yet, despite the holiday shopping season crush coming to its natural end. As expected, the giant American deficit in international trade of goods and services shrank sharply in October, reducing from $81 billion in September to $67 billion in October. Exports rose sharply and imports changed little. Their politically sensitive deficits with both China and the EU each shrank, as did their deficit with Canada, but their deficit with Mexico rose. And China recorded a smaller trade surplus in November, where exports changed relatively little, but imports swelled unexpectedly. Weak investment and sluggish demand in China now has attention at the highest levels in Beijing. Of course, none of these issues have been caused by their own policies. And Taiwanese exports start again with another very strong performance in November. The US Treasury 10-year yield opens today at 1.46% and up 3 basis points overnight. On Wall Street, the S&P 500 has started their Tuesday session up a very enthusiastic 2.1% on top of Monday's big gain. Overnight, European markets all rose even more, up more than 3%. Yesterday, Tokyo ended up 1.9%, Hong Kong was up 2.7%, but Shanghai closed a tame 0.2% higher. The ASX 200 closed up 1%, while the NZX 50 was the outlier, ending with no gain. And the price of gold will start today at $1,785 an ounce and up $7 overnight. And oil prices are up $4.50 a barrel to just under $72.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is up a bit less, now just over $75.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today marginally firmer at 67.8 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, however, we're softer by another half cent to 95.3 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're firmer at 60.3 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts today at 72.6 and a little higher. We welcome your feedback on these issues. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.